If your edges have suffered due to tight lock styles, this video is for you. If you are a loctician and you love styling your clients' locks to the gods, this video is for you. There is a stranger in our house. And when I say our house, I mean the lock community. Okay? Too many edges have suffered under this absurd cruelty. And that is tight styles. Now, the reason that I'm addressing this today is because it is something that needs attention brought to it. I know for a fact that this is plaguing the lock community because I see it all the time, okay? And for those who have suffered, I'm sorry. Tight lock styles is something you should never have to deal with, okay? Now, I want to take this time to speak to the locticians that are watching this video. All right. First and foremost, I want to say, keep going, keep growing. I love to see it. Okay. The passion runs deep. I love to see it. Okay. Second, when you are servicing a client and you are in the styling phase of your service, please be hyper aware, extra vigilant of just how much you are pulling on your client's locks, all right? When you're doing the braids and the ponytails. Understand that we as locticians, okay, cannot feel what our clients are feeling, all right? So we have to constantly and continuously check in with our client as we progress through the style to make sure that it is comfortable on our client's head. Okay, the last thing you want to do is complete a fire style, all right? And there is tightness and pulling on your client's edges. Edges are the most sensitive part of anyone's head, okay? However, any part of the scalp where tension is constant, there is definitely a problem brewing. Hair follicles with constant tension due to the pulling that tight styles cause will lead to weaker hair follicles over time, which will in fact lead to thinning and breaking locks. So again, you have to be extra vigilant and hyper aware of how much you're pulling on a lock when you are styling. There should never be tension or pulling on the edges or your scalp after completing a lock style. As professional locticians, it is our job to make sure that this is never the case, okay? Y'all know, Loc Nation, I rock with y'all the long way, and I would never speak on a matter if it wasn't coming from a place of love, all right? So, I think it's safe to say that tight lock styles is in fact against lock styling law, okay? Comment down below what habits and techniques that you feel are against lock styling law, okay? I look forward to reading you guys' comments. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications so that you never miss a video from me. It's your girl Kenyatta here. Y'all know I rock with y'all the long way, right? You better know it.